Okay.
So we're on the roof right now.
We're on the roof right now.
Yeah.
This is Prolly vlog number 4.
Team members.
2 team members. Woodworker. So he's good with making boards and stuff. We've been sanding some fingerboards, so I'll put that in right now.
Wow. Wow.
Alright, we just got one in the mold. Sam's been working very hard. He's been doing the most work, honestly. Me and John made, it's a 3-stair and an out rail. You can see the glue, but when the glue dries, it's gonna be clear. But it's called the Prolly DIY for a reason. It don't look great. It's using scrap wood from various places, such as houses being built. We get wood from there. We take it out of their structure. We take it out of their structural, the main structural parts. Veneers. Where'd the other veneers go? Somewhere. Sandy blocks. We actually made a couple boards that are over there. You can see the trucks on the board. We didn't make those just yet, but we painted them. It's going good. Very tired, even though I haven't been doing anything. Very tired.
Hey, do you got draws on?
Nope. New Prolly deck. Yo. So we got this glue, we got this one ready to go.
Wow.
Then we got this one. It's being clamped down pretty firmly, and it looks like it has really great concave. We just need 3 more molds to fill up the other angles, and then we should be good. But this is what we're working on. This is working for now. I say it's pretty good. I'm working on the new Prolly deck.
Prolly deck.
Prolly. The Y's kind of covered. Going on with number 2. This one's for Sam. Gonna be just like this one. It is tomorrow, and we're still making boards. We got 2 more. We're super efficient. That's right, 16 hours, 4 boards.
Wow.
Is that good or no?
Yeah, they can't hear you.
Is that good or no?
That was good.
Day 2, we're still making fingerboards. We got this one in the mold, and John is sanding this one. This is our brand new Prolly belt sander.
Wow.
I forgot. Did I say day 2? It is day 3. And this belt sander is really rough. It's sanding really quick, but it's scary. Woo! That's it, but I don't. I would have mine. Alright guys, it's 3 weeks in, and we haven't seen each other in a while, but we're back and bombing a hill. Yes, sir! John's back there somewhere. Never mind, he got hit by a car. But we're back at it. Same vlog. New timeline. Oh, we just slowed down a bunch. Dang. Alright guys, we're gonna go over here. John's gonna try and catch up. But I don't think he's gonna make it. Alright guys, we're nearing our destination. There we are. If y'all find Lush, please arrest him. Alright guys, world's fastest chug. 2025. Check this. Yeah, under a second. So, we got another one.
Oh, I missed it. Gotta redo it.
Oh, ow. Guys, this is the most haunted playground in the USA, and we're gonna go ghost hunting in the playground. If we find a ghost, you gotta hit the like
And subscribe.
and hit that subscribe. But look at this. In 1946, 100 people gathered around the swing set to mourn the loss. Shut up! To mourn the loss of a 3-year-old child that had died the previous years on the swing. But later, lightning struck and they all died. So now, we're gonna go explore it. But what these two young teenagers did not know, they were about to be in for a horrible ride. Alright, we just walked past it. So, I mean,
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
still doing the stickers. John took this out of my hand to put it up on the shortest post. Like, bro, I could have done this. What?
Clip that.
You can't see anything. Baseball field. Yo, I hear someone. Shut. School bus, get to school. School bus.
Wakey, hands on baby Jakey.
Wakey, eggs and bakey, school bus. John knows this person. So John just like sort of ate it. I don't know. He kind of did the splits on a landing from this tiny gap. Well, so he's I don't know. We're gonna film some skating. This loading dock's fun. Try and get some tricks and clips. Woo woo. Bro.
Oh, he on S game mode.
What? These kids these days, man, they all be like,
Out with other people that are my age and they're just kind of
You hear me? Hit the rollie, start with the rollie on. What was our getaway car, Jag portfolio? You hear me? Hit the rollie.
Boom, 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 boom. Hit the rollie song with the rollie on.
So, you hear me? Hit the rollie, start with the rollie on. What was our getaway?
tough.
Dude,
Oh,
I'm
wait,
so.
we already know on the roof. The roof. I don't like this side. It's scary. Big drop. Look at that. No, you can actually see someone from here.
How?
Your face is like so like.